wala na kasi ayong hindi na naisipan na ikakalugit pamamagitan ng haliwa upang gustuhin sa mga titing na tutunan ikaw buong araw I am even just you said to me can't wait to be mine on how it is what do you gonna tell baby let me know when you're ready di na hanap ng iba ikaw lang ang pinakamaganda ikaw lang gusto makasama yeah ganda ako I see me and you on my bed in my room holding it while we move cause I'm way too easy cause baby I don't mind I can stand just time listen me you might make you feel I was telling all my soul for this you running out for me don't you wish but I'm getting closer baby call me up when you're dead my life oh in the morning you know what's right come on so we go all night alright hey alam niyo meron lang ako isang problema ngayong araw kasi usually itong second verse na to merong kasamang kumanta dito. So, by any chance, sino ang kaya kumanta ng second verse? Can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand? Sino pinaka-confident? Ikaw? Ikaw? Pero alam mo, marami akong nakikita eh. Ang dami nakataas. Ready sila eh, na mag-duet. Ikaw, halika dito. The black, the girl with the black shirt, halika. So, what's your name?
Sherina.
Sherina. Nakita ko yung ano mo.
Ako yung sa Acer.
Saan? Oh, sa Acer. Hindi na tuloy. So ngayon ready ka ba? Ready ka na kumanta ng second verse? Matagal pa na pinagandaan to?
Yes.
Okay, bibigyan lang ako ng tatlo. Okay, at the count of 3, kakantayin mo. Kabisado ba yung lyrics?
Yes.
Okay, tapos sumabay kayo ha? Okay? Okay, ready?
Listen, you're the one I want. I can't live without your touch. Nothing more, nothing more, so much, so much. If you come over here, we can talk about our feelings. Share a few tears with my baby. I see me and you on my bed, my room, cause I'm way too into you. I can spend the time just with me.
May gusto ka ba sabihin para makapuha ka? Baka meron kang mga friends dito, may kakakilala ka dito?
Ha?
May makakakilala ka dito?
Wala.
Gusto mo ba silang batiin?
Shout out sa Moonlight Hawk Official!
Ay!
Sa best friend ko, si Kylie.
Ayun, sa best friend mo si Kylie. Hello Kylie, ayun. Ayun pa siya?